How to lock swipe down on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and find the Face ID and passcode option, then tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your passcode to access the security settings. From here, you can manage settings using Face ID and other important iPhone access settings. On this page, scroll down to the Allow Access When Locked section and turn off the toggle switch of Notification Center as shown. Also, turn off the toggle for Control Center. This prevents access to these features from your lock screen, keeping your information more secure. Following these steps, you can easily lock the swipe down on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.